Hey, online is a place like this, you know. People no ram for mix up story, you know. You see me I say? The first time me see this video here, you know the first thing them say, the Rasta man and this man then there. You see me? Just because the other man which we don't have locks on sound gay. You see me I say? Because of how him talk. So that is the first thing around through people's mind. Let me tell you something, man. Visually, just looking at the clip good. The Rasta man disrespected the man where people claim to say is gay or whatever. The Rasta man disrespect his friend, which is, you know, even if it's a female or a transvestite, him hit him friend. You see me I say? Him lick her, him hit her. People are say, right? So the man take offense side and run to him friend's rescue. You get what I say to you? And that is the thing. You see, that's a good moral to have, because here what the thing now. It no matter who you want to be on earth. You see me I say, you can't run left your friend when people are come try to hurt your friend. You have to defend your friend to the end. A life, you know. You get what I say to you? Alright, run left your friend now and that man beat the friend to nothing. How you are gonna feel? When you know you could have defend it or help defend it. You see me I say? Yeah, so I just them kind of thing that no, don't get me wrong again, you know. Me now tell us if I go out there go defend some friends who go out there and make problem with people, you know. That you see me I say that I want another story, you know. You see me I say, but people always get story mixed up and attack the wrong things, and me just set the line straight. You see me I say, again, the Rasta man and that man is no couple. At this, the Rasta man disrespect that man's friend and him defend it for him friend. You see me I say? Which most likely seems to be like a female when me I see right here, so. But you don't see me I say. Alright, so all of this take place on White Plain in a Bronx, New York. You see me I say? All of this. You see me? As simple as you take it. You see it? Ah boy. Anyways, you don't know the thing go. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date, you have to click the subscribe button. You see me I say, if you want to see the full view of everything I want to go on from my clips, or you need to just hit me up, you read the description down below, or you just look for the Dancehall Skilla, Facebook, Insta, you know the thing go. You just get the spelling right. You see me I say? My name is Skilla and that was Dancehall Skillas Entertainment.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.